Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bonnie.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Melissa.
Yes, the Canton fair is different from before. The traditional fair changed to online this time. Today we are going to introduce some awesome products of our factory. Our factory is one of the professional manufacturer of AGM or GEL battery charger, solar controller and inverters. If you want to more details of our factory, please contact us. Maybe you can add our WeChat or WhatsApp number, or you can through the Facebook or YouTube channel to contact us.
Yes.
We will show you more details of our products.
Yes, now let's get started to introduce our products. This one is the FA series, which have 12 volt and 24 volt and 12 volt with charger anti-reverse protection. It's a series of modified sideways power inverter with different features.
Yes.
Firstly, FA series inverter has a different power. There are 315 watt and 500 watt, 1000 V8, 100 and 500 V8, 2000 V8 and 3000 V8, which meet most of the customers' basic need. Secondly, this mode is the 12 and the 24 is the basic model with the output voltage of 213 volts and input voltage of DC 12 volts or DC 24 volts. It's a regular model.
Yes, let me introduce another one. And this is the FA350AF. AF, it means 12 volts and with anti-reverse protection. This series power from is 350 VA, 500 VA, 1000 VA and 1500 VA, 2000 VA and 3000 VA. As we can see, it is an upgraded version of the fourth model. It has a battery reverse protection in case of that you incorrectly connect of the inverter of the batteries. According to the feedback of the after-sales engineers, 80% of the repairs are caused by the wrong connection of the positive and negative terminals of the battery, which results in the inverter being burned out. And to the anti-reverse connection function can be well to avoid these errors. And at the same time, it also provides 5 volt 1 ampere USB to charge your mobile phone or iPad. Okay, let my partner Marissa to introduce our FA series inverter with charging.
Yes, it's my pleasure. Yeah, it's this model. It's the FA 12 volt with charger. This one comes with a built 10 ampere and 20 ampere. Digital power have 1000 VA and 2000 VA.
Yes.
1000 VA with charger and the USB. Look here. This one is the USB. It's the 5 volts and 1 ampere. Yes. It's the same inverter as before FA series, but with more function of this charger. It's 2-in-1. It's very convenient. So by it, you can get an inverter and still has a charger. Yes, please note that the charger and the inverter of this product cannot be used on the same time. If you use separately, as we can see, the indicator here. Yes, this is the indicator. On the side of it also marked with the inverter and the charging. When you turn on the switch, yes, switch on, you will see the inverter When you turn it off, you can see the function of the charger.
Okay, Barista.
Yes.
Compared with the inverter of FA series, do you have any bad ones?
Yes, of course. This fifth model FFA series could be seen as one of the most special in our factory.
Yes.
Yes, this is the only product that built-in external fuse. Yes, this one is the external fuse. Here, you see, external fuse, and they have the buzzer inside. It's very convenient for the user to replace it when the fuse is burned. Yes, we will know how it works after my introduction. Yes.
Okay, we can check the appearance of FA series and FFA series. It is very similar, right?
Yes.
But they are a little different. FFA has 350 VA, 500 VA, and 1000 VA. They all have options of input voltage DC 12 volt and DC 24 volt, and the output voltage is 230 volt. Clearly on the left side we can see there is a small window for the cooling fan. Yes, this is the cooling fan.
Yes.
And the connector, this is the positive and this is the negative. And there is built-in external fuse. Although our inverters have better reverse protection, the fuse will blow if inverters are overloaded. A broken external fuse will be easily replaced by a new one, and it will cost less to repair the broken fuse. There are few options: 10 ampere, 15 ampere, 20 ampere, 30 ampere, and 40 ampere.
Yes, you still can see on the right side.
Yes.
It's the universal socket and a switch here. Yes, below the switch here is have an indicator line. If turned on the inverter, it will turn green. Yes, this one. And there is a USB. It's the 5 volt and 1 ampere. Can charge in your phones and iPad.
Okay. Lisa, may I ask, the electrical appliances can be driven by these inverters? I believe many customers would like to know about that.
Yes, of course. This inverter is very easy to use. No matter it connects to the car or the other 12 or 24 volt battery, it will provide home appliances with reliable AC power such as the TVs and the DVDs, player and the other electrical tools, and have the multi-protection, make your inverter and your battery get efficiency protection and overload.
Okay.
It's very suitable for the trouble caused by no electricity outside and suddenly no have power at home. Then only if you have an inverter, this problem all will be solved out. Yes.
Okay, that sounds great.
Yes.
Let's look at what of 4 series inverters have in common. First, let's take a look at the advantages in our inverter. First, independent power switch. Yes. Directly controls the operation of the inverter, and the use of a large universal outlet output port, suited for most of the products in the market. Second, spindle terminal, easy to carry and replace the connecting wire. Third, all our inverters are built-in the cooling fan. Yes, as we can see, all the inverter has the cooling fan here. Okay.
Yes. In addition of our inverter have 4 safe modes. Yes. The number 1 is the overload protection. It's automatically protection with when the load power is too large. The second is the over temperature protection. Inverter automatically protection at the high temperature. And the number 3 is the input low voltage protection, automatic protection when the input voltage is too low. And number 4 is the short circuit protection, is the automatically protection when the inverter finds short circuits.
Okay,
Yes.
that's all for this introduction of FA series and FFA series. You must want to know how a power inverter does its job in an off-grid solar power system. Let's open it and check. Due to the time, we open an inverter in advance. Let's check it together. Okay. Yes, we open an inverter. We can see the inside of the product. And this is the main board of the inverter. And this is the cooling fan. Cooling fan is here. And this is a transformer. And the capacitor are here. And this is the positive and negative terminal.
Yes.
And all the parts we can see clearly of our product. Okay, you can see it.
Yes.
Later we will show you how to connect the inverter after all the introduction of our products.
Okay.
Okay, later we will introduce another product to you. Okay.
Yes, but please notice that before the connecting the inverter to the battery, please check the battery voltage whether match the inverter voltage or not. If the inverter voltage is DC 12 volt and then the battery must also be 12 volts. Otherwise, the inverter will not work or be damaged. And if the inverter no have reverse protection before you use it, it should connect correctly. Yes.
Okay, that's all this part introduction. Later we will
Yes.
show you another one. Okay, let us introduce another series, FTA series inverters to you. FTA series is the modified inverter. It has different power from 500 VA, 1000 VA, 1500 VA, 2000 VA, and 3000 VA with DC 12 volt, and the output voltage is 220 volt and the frequency is 50 Hz. If you need 110 volt and 60 Hz, it is available also. As we can see the specification here, 500A means the A means 12 volt. Please look at the two sides of the inverter. It has universal socket. Yes, this one. It is suitable for all kinds of plugs. And the power switch. One USB is built-in. The USB is DC 5 volt and 1 ampere. The other side of the inverter has the connecting terminal and the cooling fan. Yes, this is the positive and this is the negative terminal. Let's see the square terminal. It is strong and easy to connect the wire, and it is safe and convenient.
Yes, Bonnie, can you tell me what is the feature of this product?
Okay, let me tell you the features.
Yes.
It has the LED screen display as we can see here. You can see the battery capacity and the power load clearly. And this is first line is for the battery capacitor, and this is the second line is for the power load. If we connect the products, this line will show you how many. We will show you the situation of the battery and the load.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, it has high conversion efficiency, and it has a universal socket which is suitable for all kinds of trucks, and such as European and British trucks and so on. And MCU controls the cooling fan.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, and the cooling fan is silent when it starts working. And it has multiple protection such as overload protection and overvoltage protection,
Yes.
low voltage protection, high temperature protection, and short circuit protection, and so on.
Wow, so many protection.
Yes, the product is very good.
Yes. Yes, so what we can know from the LCD display?
Yes, as we said before, this line will show you the
Yes.
battery and the load situation.
Oh.
Yes.
And if the inverter is triggered, how do we know that?
Yes, that is a good question.
Yes.
There is a booster aligned in the inverter.
Oh.
Once any protection of the inverter is triggered, the inverter will disconnect the power supply and the load. Then it will enter the protective mode and will remind you through the booster at the same time.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
And what do you mean the intelligent fan? I don't understand.
Oh, let me show you.
Oh.
The intelligent mill heat dissipation system is installed in the inverter.
Yes.
When the inverter reaches a certain power, the fan starts working. For example, FTA 500 VA reaches 80 to 120 volt and 20 watt, then the fan starts working. FTA 1000 VA reaches 150 to 250 watt, then the fan starts working. For the FTA 1000 and 500 VA reaches 250 to 400 watts, then the fan starts working. For FTA 2000 VA inverter, if it reaches 350 to 500 watts, then the fan starts working. In our life, it can use for laptop and computer, phone, fan, and so on. Now we are going to introduce another modified inverter, SPB series, to you.
Yes. Wow. The inverter is very convenient.
Yes. Okay, this is the SPB series.
Yes. SPB series are the modified sine wave inverter. It also has 500 VA and 1000 VA with the DC 12 volts, and also have the LCD display, and the output charger is AC 213 volts, and also have the USB is the 5 volt and 1 ampere.
Yes, Carissa.
Yes.
Could you tell us the features of SPB series? What is the difference?
Yes, it's my pleasure.
Okay.
It has the LCD show the battery capacitor here. Yes, when you connect it will show you.
Okay.
And also have the battery voltage and the output voltage and the low power. It also is the high efficient, is the small start functions. Yes, it's more light and portable with designs for the home use. Yes, It also has the universal socket, like
Series and SDB series.
yes, it's my pleasure to tell you this.
Yes.
Now this color is different, as you can see.
Yes.
This one is the left one. I really like the left one, and
I will like this one.
because this one is the silver one,
Yeah.
it's very elegant. Yes, yes. And they have some different truth about the watt. And
Yes.
this FTA series have more watts, such as 500 and 1000 V8 and 1500 V8. Also have 2000 V8 and 3000 V8.
Yeah.
SDB just have 500 V8 and 1000 V8.
Just two options.
Yes.
Okay.
It's just for now. Maybe later we will have more options for you.
Okay, got
Yes.
it. Okay, that's all the introduction of these two products.
Yes.
Later we will show you another one.
Yes. PC.
特地一下。FPC、FFU，我都是大的。
FFU 是吗？这个也不要了是吗？
这个好像说过了吗？
说过了。
那就拿回去。
搬下来了吗？这个大的。
对啊。这个要拿下来吗？拿一下吗？
可以了。
这个你拿这个。
靠到一起，然后才能看到。
这样吗？还是这样吗？
这样也可以。
好，行。
Yes, this time we will introduce this one. Yeah, this one is the FPC series. It's the pure sideway inverter. Now we have 300 V8 and 500 V8. Also have 1000 V8 and 2000 V8 and 3000 V8. Also is the 12 volt and the 24 volt. Also have the USB here. Yes, it's the 5 volts and 1 ampere. Yes, as you can see, it has the output voltage is 220 volts and 15 hertz. Also have the 16 hertz.
Okay, Barisa. What is the difference of FPC series and FFA series? What is the differences?
Yes. Yes, input and output is competitive independent. Yes, and the universal socket, yeah, is here. Yeah, is here. And is suitable for all types as plug USB, and you can charge your mobile phone. Yes, it's right here. Please look. Yes, it's 5 volts and 1 ampere.
It means if my mobile phone is died, we can use the USB to charge my phone.
Yes, because if you have iPads, you can charge it.
Okay, got it.
Very convenient. And the pure sideway inverter, you know, it has the high efficiency. It's about 91%.
What about this?
This one is almost 18%. Yes, like this.
Okay.
So if the customer want to buy it, I suggest this one. It's more better and more price, more better and lower price.
Lower price?
Yes, because this is the latest one. Yes,
Latest product.
yes, latest product. We want to over the market, so open the market, so we give the best price and the best qualities. You know.
Okay, got
Yes.
it.
And it has the intelligent cooling fan. Yes, it's this one. When the output power over 100 watt or the temperature of the inverter over the 15 Celsius degree, the fan works fast, otherwise it works slowly. Yes, it's also very silent.
Okay.
Yes, it's silent when working so that it will not interrupt your sleep. Yes, and also have the modified protections such as the input under voltage protection and the input over voltage protection, overload protection, also have the overheat protections.
Okay.
So circuit protections, so you don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yes. Also applicable for less resistive and sensitive loads. It means can for many appliances used such as the fan and the refrigerator and the air conditioner. Yes.
Just this series can use these products such as the fan
Yes.
and the refrige
Yes.
and the air conditioner.
Yeah, but you need to buy the more about the 3,000.
It's more than 500 watts.
Yeah, yes, then can move it because if too slowly can too more cannot be.
Now what about these products? You see it can available for the air conditioner.
No. This one can for the fans.
Okay.
Yes.
But it means for the appliances with motor, we just can use Q sine wave inverter.
Yes, because pure sine wave inverter can for the sensitive and the sensitive appliance. Because this modified sine wave, some sensitive products no can use.
Okay,
Yes.
no sensitive.
Yes.
The price is higher than this one.
Yes, of course.
I like the low price.
But because different products have different price. The good quality one and the pure sine wave inverter, the material is higher than the modified sine wave. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And what is the application of the pure sine wave inverter?
Yes, it can be used for vehicles, joists, and the home appliance, office, and portable equipment. That's all for the FPC
Series.
Yes. Now we will show you another part of our inverter. Is this one? Yes.
It's very heavy.
Heavy, yeah, very heavy and very big. 看得到吗？ Yes, it's this one. As you can see,
This is our latest product.
yes.
There is a new model. Yes, FFU 1000. It's familiar with FPC series. Both of them are pure sine wave inverter, but this series has more functions. Let's begin our introduction. FFU 1000. It is the pure sine wave inverter also, but it's built in with a charger, as we can see. Built in an AC charger with 15 ampere, and it has UPS functions and reverse battery protection. Frequency of 50 Hz and 60 Hz both can use, and
That's great.
yes, and this side is the cooling fan.
Yeah. So can you tell me some features of this product?
Yes, let me introduce the features.
Yes.
And FFU is 12 volt DC to AC 220 volt output, and instant power is up to 2000 watts,
Wow.
and the efficiency is up to 9100%. Yes,
Yes.
sorry,
Yes.
901%.
Also, the other size pure sine wave inverter also have this.
Yes, because it is also pure sine wave inverter.
Yes, that's great.
Yes, and it is full digital control
Yeah.
and auto UPS power supply switch. and multiple safe protections
Such
as battery low voltage alarm and battery low voltage and voltage shutdown and output short circuit and over voltage over temperature protection.
Wow, that's
Yes.
very great.
Yes. And built-in AC charger and UPS functions. AC charging from the city power quality, and it can use for home appliances, electrical tools, office portable equipment, vehicles, or yachts. Especially, it can work for 1 pH air conditioner and 750 watt short fan.
It means the power priority. It means if have the city power, then the UPS function not use. After not have the power, then the UPS can be up to and then can use light.
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's very great.
Yes.
And FPC series and this FFU series are the pure sine wave inverter. So what is the difference between these two types?
Okay, there are some difference of these two sides, FPC and FFU series. First one, the power is different.
Yes.
FPC series have more options,
Yes.
such as it has the 300 VA
Yes.
and 500 VA,
Yeah.
1000 VA,
Yeah.
2000 VA, and 3000 VA of 12 volt or 24 volt.
That's a lot of motions.
Yes, but at present, for this FFU series,
Yes.
we have 1000 and 2000 VA. But later, maybe we will have more options for this series.
Yes.
The second is the function.
Yeah.
Function is different. FPC series have the inverter functions and
Yeah.
one USB, as we said before, right? FFU series have the inverter functions and the AC charger functions and UPS and battery reverse protection and the USB.
Wow.
The more functions than the FPC series.
That's great.
Yes.
And it's also very important for the UPS.
Yes.
Okay. It can
The-
meet more needs of our customers.
Yes. The more functions to meet customers' needs.
Yes. Okay. This is all introductions for our FFU inverters. We will show you another part inverters.
Yeah.
Yes. It's this one. Yeah, it's this one. It's the FTI deep 600 bit. It's the about art of grid inverter. Now we will introduce the on-grid inverter FTI series. FTI series are on-grid inverter and connect without battery. Yes.
Without battery?
Yes, without battery.
Okay.
Now we have two options. The one is the 600 VA and another is 1000.
Just two?
Yeah, just two for now.
Okay.
And they are all sold many for 1 month, about 10,000 pieces.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yes, the very hot sold one.
Okay.
Yes. And every South Asia market, many customers want it.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is the features of this series? Could you tell us something about it?
Of course. Okay, let's tell me the features.
Yeah.
It has the multiple protection,
For example.
such as the anti-incident protection and frequency protection,
Yeah.
overcover protection, and the low voltage protection, and the over temperature protection.
Okay.
And the number two, it used the special wire length temperature to improve the reliable and safety performance greatly. And the number three, It has lower standby power consumption and the higher conversion efficiency. Yes, also very high conversions. Yes, and the number 4, the cooling fan.
Yeah.
The cooling fan is here. Have two cooling fan.
Two?
Yes, two cooling fan. Here. the number
Before
one
products all
have one.
one.
Yes.
These have two.
Yes, these have two, as you can see. 1, 2.
It is silent cooling fan.
Yes,
It's no noisy.
no noisy, no disturb your sleep.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Cooling fan. It's used the MPPT. Yes, this is the MPPT mode. Track technology with high efficiency. It has the parallel function. If you need 2000 watt, you can connect two pieces by parallel. Yes, if you want 3000 watt, you can connect three pieces.
Melissa,
Yes,
there is a remote for this product?
yes. It's a remote controller, has an LCD display which is connect the inverter. When it works, and
Yeah.
you can see the CP power voltage and the total power generation, power current, total power generation time, and the output power from the display. By the way, we can see. Can you tell us how to use it for me?
How to use?
Yes.
Okay. One side of FTI 600 VA connects the solar panel,
Yeah.
and the other side connect the CT power.
Oh.
Yes,
Like
it is two-way meters between the inverter and CT power. When you have the balance power,
Yes.
you can sell to the local country to earn some money.
That's great.
Yes, and it is no need to contact the battery.
No battery.
Yeah, the battery is unnecessary.
Oh.
It is easy to install. But please pay attention to two data on the inverter, such as the VOC and VMP.
Yeah.
If the data of solar panel is not bigger than the inverter, our inverters can use for your solar panel.
Oh yeah. Oh, like this. Yes.
Yeah.
Here are some questions that most customers want to know. May I take some samples to test before placing an order?
Yes, sure. Customer will need to pay for the sample fees
Yes.
and shipping charges.
Yes.
And they will be refunded when the next order is confirmed.
Oh, okay. And what is the payment of your sample order?
We can pay by TT or Visa, or acceptable for us.
Okay. And what is the price terms you can offer to us?
Now our price is EXW Guangzhou, but we can also receive the FOB or ESW price,
Oh, that's
CF price,
oh,
if the
Like this.
order details is confirmed. Okay.
okay. And what is the main market for your products?
Most of our products are exported to the Southeast Asia,
Yes.
and such as the Africa, Mid East, and Malaysia, and Indonesia.
Wow, there's a lot of countries want this product.
Yeah. Today we introduce FA, FFA, SDB, FTI, FPC, and FFU series to your most models. Maybe some customers will ask that there are many factories to manufacture same products
Yes.
as our products.
Yes.
Then why should the customer choose our products?
Yes, you don't need to worry because our factory was founded in 1988. Yes, it's more than 13 years history.
13 years?
Yes,
It's a long time.
Yes, very long time.
Yeah.
And our factory have a professional research and development department, and the new products developed from them. Yes. And we also have the several production lines so that all materials and the qualities can price is competitive, and the OEM orders are acceptable. We have after-sale team.
Yeah.
If you have any question of our products, we can reply the questions to them, and they will show the questions for you.
Okay.
Yes. Also have the guarantee. The guarantee of our power supplier is 1 year.
Most of all of the products.
Most of the inverter products is about 1 year.
Okay.
Yes. And we will recommend the hot shelf model in your market and help you to occupy more market share.
Okay.
Then you can earn more money. Yes. From now on, our product have exported to more than 200 countries all over the world. So please trust our factory. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all the introduction of the products. Maybe we will show you the picture.
Yes. And
Yes.
as you can see, this one. Yes.
There are 4 parts of the pattern.
Yes.
And there is the solar panel, and there is the solar controller, and there is the battery and the inverter. The 4 parts include the home solar system. Then you can use the inverter to use the electrical appliances such as the bulb, the computer, fridge, laptop or printer, and
Wow, a lot of
water cooling, and so on. Most of the appliances can be used by the inverter.
very good.
Yes. This is the FTI. What is the difference is the FTI series can be paralleled by the, if you need more power, you can parallel the solar panel, as we can see the picture. Okay, we will show you how to connect the inverter later.
Yes. Inverter to the connection. Yes, as you can see here, as the
Positive and negative.
and the positive and the neg and
上
the
镜好一点
positive
过头了。
镜头在这里。
have the positive and the negative pole. Yes. And this the left one is connect the positive one, and this the black one is the negative one. Yes. Now let me show you. Okay, we will show you. You must be sure the inverter is the 12 volt, same match as the battery is also the 12 volt. If not, then will not work of the inverter. Now, here is that. Here is the positive one. Connect this one also.
那个灯灭了。
Here is the negative one is connected with this. And then after all the connect, check it. Okay.
接风扇。
Then here has the universal circuit. Yes. Here. And then turn on the switch and then turn on the fan switch. Yes. The first blank. Here. Can you see? Yes. And also can be more cooling. Yes. Very good.
That's all the connection of one
Yes.
FPC series.
We will show
Later we
you
will show you another one.
可以了吗？Yes. After the cooling fan is turned off, and then must be turn on the switch. Turn off the switch. Yes.
ก็
And
手
then
机充电没有接。
用另外这个接可以。
嗯，
yes. This one. And
插一下
we
这里。
will turn to the another one. Yes.
可以吗？
放桌面上对啊，一面拿着比较好拧。
Yes, it's very convenient to change it, to connect it also. Now Bonnie will connect the SDB type.
Yes, as we said before, the red one is the positive terminal and the black one is the negative terminal. We should connect correctly to the battery.
Yeah.
The black one is connect the black one.
Yes.
And we need to confirm the inverter is 12 volt. It is matches with the battery is also the 12 volt. And then we connect it the fan. And then we turn on.
And then turn on
一
this
电
one.
20度。
There is the USB. You can use it for charging your mobile phone. Yes, as we can see, the mobile phone is charging now. 这样可以吗？
吸了，吸掉了。可以。
Charging now. Yes.
It's very convenient.
Yes.
Yes, as from the display we can see some specifications. 拉得到。And this is 看得到吗？你的手拿。And this is the battery volt. We can see the specification. It is 11.7 volt, and this is the output volt. And from this side, we can see the capacity for the battery. And this side will show you the low energy.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, this is the specification of the products.
Yes. Okay.
关了。
Yes, turn on the fan.
就往上有可能会去讲哦。
Yeah.
As we can see, all of our inverters can use them for some basic home appliances.
Yes.
If you do not have any power, city power, you can use it. It's very convenient.
Yes. Maybe in the summer it's very hot. You can use it for the fans.
为什么是肯定要会这样？有很多台上。
Okay, that's all the operation.
Yes.
Okay, that's all the introduction for our introduction. If you have any interest or our questions, please
Yes.
contact us. This is our WeChat and WhatsApp number. Or you can look the Facebook or YouTube channel to contact us. Yes.
And later,
它
if
有
we
延
have
迟
the output the new model inverter, we also will send to our website and you can contact us.
Yes. We also have another product introduction later. See you later. Bye bye.
稍等。